I get a lot of questions from people who are creators, people who are agencies and in search engine optimization saying, will AI replace what I do? In this episode, we're going to answer a few questions, not for everyone, but to find out at the end, what's really underneath this? What is really going on beyond technology? The ultimate question everyone asked me is, will AI replace what I do? The answer? Probably yes. Or will it? That question is at the core of what we're going to be doing, a Q&A focus on one of the really biggest issues, which is you. So will it replace what you do? Partly. Will it ultimately be able to do it? Maybe. The question isn't, will AI replace what you do? The question is, what are you doing that makes you better than AI? Because AI is just about patterns, probabilities, matching, giving people what they've done before. It's about history. It's not about now. It's not about a vision of looking forward. So while some people's jobs that they're doing now are being replaced, what you do, mm, it depends. But I don't think you want to rely on that because it'll make you give up. If you believe in that, that belief system is your belief code. And those belief codes are what make you grow. Hey, I'm not doing what I did when I began my career, and that had nothing to do with AI. So maybe if AI replaces you, maybe you're heading somewhere that's better, that's not reliant on what AI can do, the repetitive kind of stuff, the easy stuff that it can do right now, because we're a long way from it replacing everybody. Even Klarna bragged about customer support. The financial firm does loans, said, let's get rid of all these people. Now they're hiring people back. Does that mean everyone came back? No. But it also means it didn't replace them because people had questions, but AI sort of spins and answers. It doesn't really know what you do. And in Klarna's case, they found that what you do is more important. So be careful that will AI replace what I do becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. You're really saying, I'm afraid of being replaced. And in any career, you should know that's a possibility, AI or not. So start looking at it as not to, AI is not something to blame. Maybe it's something there to challenge you because I don't think you have another choice. But no, I don't think it's going to be human, conscious. It's not going to have your experience. Experience. What we process through our eyes, ears, feelings are not coming soon. And that's your advantage. Remember that. You're unique. AI really isn't. It's built on what other people have thought, said, done, created.